What's up, everybody? This is Chris with BenhamBaseballCards.com again. As promised, coming back at you with a second blaster box from Walmart. Again, I have 4 total blasters sitting here next to me. Won't waste any more time describing it. If you saw the first video, you'll know what I'm doing here. Matt Downs, Todd Helton, Alex Presley, Justin Upton Gold Sparkle, Code Card, Buster Posey, Chris Young with Paul Goldschmidt in the same photo, Julio Teheran, and B.J. Upton. Drew Stubbs, N.D. Chavez, Vladimir Guerrero, all-time Dominican hits leader. I don't remember seeing Vladdy play this year, so I'm not sure really what's going on with Vladdy. I haven't heard any retirement speeches either. Robinson Cano career day. Mark Teixeira 1987 Topps Mini. Paul Goldschmidt with Kirk Gibson, boss man Kirk Gibson identifiable in the photo as well. David DeJesus and Ryan Madsen finish out the pack. Lyle Overbay, Jacob Turner, Zach McAllister, rookie card, Luis Marte, rookie card, Reggie Jackson on the Yankees, Golden Moments, J.J. Putz, Jordan Schaefer, and Juan Uribe. I guess it could be Uribe, but I've always pronounced it Uribe. Logan Morrison, Corey Hart, and for some reason these photos, a lot of these photos seem really grainy and they seem really low quality compared to Series 1. This one looks really just completely over brightened. It's just terrible. Johan Santana, who came back with a bang throwing a no-hitter. Kind of got some help from the umpire, but goes in the books as a no-hitter just as much as Armando Galarraga's perfect game goes in the books as not a perfect game. Umpires seem to be able to make a big impact in the game, don't they? Jose Contreras. John Smoltz, Gold Standard. Michael Bourne, with Jason Hayward towering over Michael Bourne. I wonder if Hayward might be crossing over the pitcher's mound at the same time or something, but man, that's a huge size differential right there between Bourne and Hayward. Hiroki Kuroda, Casper Wells. I don't know anything about... Let me get that open first. I don't know anything about short prints in the Series 2. I don't know anything about Series 2 at all. I haven't done any homework, just like I typically like to do. So I can't really spot anything unless it's a ridiculous SP photo like Gatorade or something, then I would know. Joe Blanton, Cameron Maybin, Faustino de los Santos, Steven Strasburg, Gold Sparkle. Liam Hendricks, Gold Futures. I believe this is the same Gold Futures we got in the other box, and we only got one of them. Dan Ugla with, I believe it's Brett Snitker, but I'm not positive. Brett Snitker is the third base coach for the Braves, I believe. I looked it up one day, so I wondered who 51 was. Joe Nathan, Marco Scutaro. Alan Craig, who is apparently tearing it up real good right now. But I think he's been on the DL, which helps your average when you don't have as many at-bats. Justin Upton, Cody Ross, Mickey Mantle, a cut above. Got Pujols, was my last one, and Mantle, now my newest one. Brian Wilson, 1987 Topps. Guessing these advertisement cards probably make some kind of a puzzle, but they all say bunt.topps.com. And they all have some kind of a paragraph on them about stuff you would hear from the crowd at a baseball game so far. It was swing, batter, swing, and hot dogs. Get your hot dogs. Brian McCann. Nice crystal clear photo there. Ryan Adams and Kyle Seager. 4 more. 4 more packs and then the patch card. Steven Strasburg gets a Series 2 card. Joaquim Soria. Raul Ibanez. George Brett Golden Moments. Nice. Code card. Carl Crawford bowling over. Is that Perez? Might be Perez. I might have even... I don't know how Perez ended up on the DL. I don't know if it was a collision or if it was just a normal running around. That's a pretty good collision photo there. Crawford was dishing it out. Luke Hughes and Alex Gonzalez. J.A. Happ. Josh Tomlin. Jamile Weeks. Mound Dominance, Warren Spahn. Believe it or not, I have a Warren Spahn jersey card from like '05 of something. I just bought 1 pack and happened to pull it. Johnny Bench, career day. Dustin Pedroia, fan favorite. Chris Johnson and Zach Cozart. 2 more. These are the 2 Walmart blue packs. Matt Gamble, Guillermo Moscoso, Chris Perez, Francisco Cervelli, Joe DiMaggio Gold Standard, Dan Uggla, Jason Kubel, and Lance Berkman. Obviously this will be the other blue border. Jake Peavy, J.J. Hardy, Eric Surkamp, rookie card, Chase Utley Gold Sparkle, Desmond Jennings Gold Futures, Brian McCann, that same photo I was just talking about a couple packs ago, Kyle Kendrick, and Mike Carp. That does it for the second box of normal packs. Let's get this patch card open so you guys can see what we got. Mariano Rivera, Historical Stitches. That might do well on eBay. I don't know that I'll put it on there, but maybe I'll keep them all on BenhamBaseballCards.com this time. I've done a lot on eBay over the years, and I always tell myself that I'm not going to sell on there anymore, and then I tell myself I will, and then I tell myself I won't. So you can imagine in 8 years on eBay that probably told myself that a few times. Really good looking card, nice and highly glossy. Mariano Rivera, New York Yankees, and the Topps logo all in gold foil. Might be an interesting piece for some of you Yankees fans out there. I'm trying to get the corners up there on the black background there so you guys can see them. That's how we end the second box. I will move on to the third box after cutting this video out and starting a new one. See you guys.